It almost seems a little crazy with the camera right side up. That is it for the rhinestoning, at least for now. Now I get to clean up all of my rhinestones and put them up just for a little bit until I see how the cups go or how the mugs go. Even if they don't go very well, I'll just know that I don't have to make any more cups for a while. Right now, I think I have like 3 tumblers. I think I had like 5 tumblers that I bought, but I want to say I have like 4 tumblers that are ready to sell. I didn't have enough blue ones, so I have 1 tumbler left that I can't really start over with unless I work really hard to get these off, but I rather just order more blue ones. And I got a ton of the scattered and the linear and stuff like that, so I think for now we can just take a pause on the rhinestones. They will be posted in about a week or so, so that's why I need this camera down, or this camera, you know, off the tripod, give it a break from looking at a 90-degree angle. I am proud of myself for doing all those rhinestones. It really was therapeutic. It was nice. I can't wait to get started on sewing. I have so many ideas, so many outfits I want to get done. 1 for Halloween, 2 just for y'all for Halloween. I do have some clothes that I need to revamp. I found more shorts that I could, you know, resize. Y'all have any ideas for sewing? Please comment down below. Maybe I'll make that like a Wednesday video or a bonus video, but I'm trying to make more bonus videos, but if I can't, I'm not gonna just whip something out just to whip it out. Hopefully when this video is up, I'll have all of my rhinestone cup tumblers or whatever and mugs in my Etsy shop, and if you don't see them on my Etsy shop, make sure you favorite my Etsy shop, and then you'll get updates whenever, you know, I put stuff out. So I'm gonna clean up my desk, get prepared for the next week or so, or the month, for sewing, and in October, I believe, we will be doing resin stuff. And so my husband right now, the shed is just a mess. It has a bunch of like woodworking stuff and resin. You cannot have dust anywhere. Like, you want to make sure you're in a dust-free zone when doing resin. And I don't want to be outside, but I want to be in the shed, but my husband and it's a lot going on. So I am trying to figure out where I'm going to do the resin. I can always put a box and stuff over my resin pieces, but I'm not sure. We're still kind of contemplating on what we're going to do about the resin, because you can't do it in the house. I have seen so many, if you're a crafter and you're doing resin in the house, stop doing it right now. I even got like a NC5 whatever mask, the one with the filters, because like that's what you need when working with resin, because it can become toxic. And I don't know if y'all can hear in my voice, not that I have been affected by it, but the reason why my voice is the way that it is because I have pneumonia, and apparently epoxy can do the same thing. And right now my lungs, I already have an upper respiratory infection. I have researched all the resin stuff, but within the research there has been a lot of people saying how they're affected by it physically, like health wise. But yeah, but I can't wait to show y'all like what I got, because this is like one of them. I've been using this for my, you know, putting cups on to put crystals on, and I can't wait to show y'all, because I even got it's like a 2-spinner tumbler thing, and I also got like, they're like, these can turn, you could take this off the turners and you can put like, I got like connectors to them to where you can stand them up like this. And the company also gave me free glitter, so I have alcohol inks, glitter, and I got the brown alcohol inks that you use to make wood grain. So we're gonna be making a lot of resin stuff. and trying different methods, which I know there's a bunch of methods out there, but a lot of the how-to videos people put out like crazy, and you can never get enough how-to videos. Just because one person has a how-to video doesn't mean that 2 or 3 other people can do a how-to video, because people explain things differently, and I would like to explain me as like a newcomer coming in and just doing it, and I know a lot of them probably do that too, but you never know. Never know. It's all about the experience. So I'm nervous, but I'm excited. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Bye.